second episode of Justuju by Soul Orbit. It gives me immense pleasure that we got overwhelming response for the program, and we got so many letters and mails, and it took us some time to sort them out. So हम लोगों ने क्या किया है कि जो general questions है for the common people, we'll be starting with those, and सारे letters के सारे answers आएंगे, but it might take some time. So please abide with us and have some patience. We'll be answering all the questions very soon. So the first question we need is, how do we start to walk towards a balanced lifestyle when there are so many responsibilities on our shoulders every day? This is a very common and I think बहुत relatable है ये.
So, Ingit, what happens is that normally when we follow this path of spirituality, or when we talk about maybe meditation, when we talk about connecting with your own self, people have this misconception that you have to leave everything and go, right? So they have this thing in mind that sab kuch chodo, pahad pe baith jao, right? And it's a very difficult path. It has a particular age. It has a particular... So I would say that that's a very easy way, actually, right?
To leave everything?
Yeah, if you're following the path and if you really want not to be disturbed and you really want to get into this meditation and want to get involved, so I would say it's a very easy way. मैं सब कुछ छोड़ूं और जाके पहाड़ पे बैठ जाऊं, मैं किसी से इंटरेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा, आराम से बैठा हूं, कोई मुझे डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहा, तो मैं तो अपनी एनर्जीज को आराम से कंट्रोल कर सकता हूं. It is all about, when you are interacting with the people in the outer reality, I would say, and how you are balancing it out with the other person, in the outer reality. It all depends on that. The balance is all about that, I would say. So अगर मैं कहूँ कि मैं अंदर से sorted नहीं हूँ, मैं inner connection मेरा है नहीं, और मैं आउटर रियलिटी में बैलेंस बनाना चाहूंगा, तो वो कभी बनेगा नहीं, राइट? और ऐसा होगा कि कभी मुझे कहीं प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, कभी किसी इंसान के साथ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, कभी मैं किसी आदमी को जज कर रहा हूँ, मैं कभी किसी चीज के लिए कर रहा हूँ. सो प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट कहाँ से होती है? प्रॉब्लम यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है. और आई ऑलवेज से व्हेनेवर आई एम डूइंग 101 कोचिंग that at any given time, you have to find कि आप में कमी क्या है. Look at what is the missing link in you. तुम्हारी कमियां कहाँ हैं? हम कहाँ कमियां ढूंढ रहे होते हैं, दूसरे में कमियां ढूंढ रहे होते हैं. So the balance कहाँ से आएगा? बैलेंस तो यहीं बिगड़ा हुआ है, राइट? क्योंकि हम अपने तो देख ही नहीं रहे. और आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टेड रियलिटी. आई बिलीव दैट आपका प्रतिबिंब आपके सामने आता है. what is there inside you will come, and this if you start observing. So अगर आप देखोगे तो the reflection starts with your children. If you see your child, if you see them, and then when we blame them कि ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है, and we have a habit of blaming our kids even, and when we blame them, we don't see our own self. Like वो वही तो है जो हमने बनाया है. It's something of that sort. And same goes, it's not about your own immediate people. It goes out in the outer reality also. When you move out of your house, or you move out for office or wherever you're interacting, for wherever you're going, वहाँ पर भी यही होगा. You will not be able to create the balance. So
we attract our vibration.
Exactly. So you attract you will attract what is there going inside you. And we will not realize it because we are not aware about it, right? So if you are not aware about it, then definitely you will see कि ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है, right? And how do I get that balance? मेरा balance कैसे बनेगा अगर मैं इस तरफ आ जाऊंगा, मैं इस तरफ आ जाऊंगा? So universal law, there's a book which I've just written and it's going to be launched soon in another 15-20 days. It is all on the universal laws. So universal laws are always working on you, right? You're sitting here because the law of gravity is working. It's like that. The law of balance is always working. Law of rhythm is always working. So the polarity is there, right? So it is all about creation, So if I see, from a reality which exists within me, the Shiva and the Shakti, the masculine and the feminine, which exists in me, right? The physical form is male, your physical form is female. But inside me, both the things exist.
True.
But one is dominant. That balance is not there. If that balance is there, then I don't have any issues handling any kind of a challenge I face. So how do we build that balance? Why that balance is necessary? Of course, that balance is only necessary, and that is the only way how we can, create. So it starts with your inner self. Once you have that inner reality set and you have that inner balance, the outer balance will start automatically happening, because that's going from inside to outside.
So the work starts from within and not from without.
Exactly. The work starts from here. Everything will start from here and will end here.
अपने आप को importance देना शुरू करेंगे, उसके बाद वो balance. Sometimes, the situation.
Importance से ज़्यादा मैं बोलूँगा allowance. अपने आप को allowance दो, right? So again,
So sometimes what happens is that हम लोगों की situations ऐसी होती है कि बाहर से responsibilities बहुत demand करती है हमारा time या हमारी energy. So how do I balance that? I know that I have to be a balanced person. सब कुछ मेरा, I need to work and life balance should be there, but somehow because the demand is so much, I'm not able to reach there.
So that is what exactly the thing is, that once you are aware inside, like you're aware about the whole situation, like what is coming on to, then only you will be able to balance it out. So what happens is you're getting stuck. So why we are demanding that balance? We are getting stuck in the outer reality. किसी ने मुझे कुछ आके बोल दिया, right? किसी ने मुझसे कोई demand कर दिया, अब उसका stress हो गया. Stress क्या हो गया? I have to do this job perfect. We don't allow ourselves to make a mistake. So अगर हम अपने आप को ही नहीं allow कर रहे एक mistake करने का, तो हम दूसरे से कैसे वो कर पाएंगे कि मतलब हमें भी उससे perfection ही चाहिए होगी. हम उसको एकदम अलाउ नहीं कर पाएंगे कि भाई ये मिस्टेक हो कैसे गई. एंड वी स्टार्ट शाउटिंग. यू सी इन अ डोमेस्टिक एनवायरनमेंट आल्सो. इन अ डोमेस्टिक एनवायरनमेंट आई सी पीपल शाउटिंग एट देयर डोमेस्टिक हेल्प्स, राइट? दे आर जस्ट human beings. They're just here to help us out. We don't realize that. And since we don't allow ourselves, so because हम खुद इतना perfection में जीना चाहते हैं, हर चीज perfect करना चाहते हैं, right? So because हम कहाँ रह रहे हैं? हम रह रहे हैं मेट्रो एनवायरनमेंट में, जहाँ हम बाहर निकलते हैं, एवरीथिंग, इवन दी ओपन पार्क्स आर मैनिक्योर्ड, प्रॉपरली कटा हुआ सब चाहिए, साफ चाहिए, दैट्स व्हाई वी रन आउट ऑफ कंट्रीज. वी डोंट नेचुरल उसमें रहने का हमें आदत नहीं है, राइट? सो नेचुरली हम क्या हैं? नेचुरली हम क्या बने हैं, किस लिए बने हैं? दीज आर ऑल आर गिज्मोस, आई वुड से, to keep ourselves engaged, to keep ourselves, people say that I'm here to pass time, मेरा time नहीं pass होता, so he is doing something this, something that, and उसके अंदर वो फिर perfection ढूंढ रहा है. अब जब वो perfection नहीं आ रही तो मेरा balance नहीं बन रहा है, so it is all interlinked. So it is how you start this journey. All starts with your own self. If you allow yourself to be, I would say that everything around will start balancing out, because now you know that it is not about limitation. I would say that we are limitless. It is about finding that approach where what needs to be given significance to. So again, these are one of the milestones we've come out with few milestones for our students.
Yes, we will be talking about all the milestones that you keep mentioning about.
Yes.
And that's a journey in itself.
Exactly. So these, why we have developed these milestones and how they are helping them, because it helps you to get aware about it. So they stay with you. So these belief systems, what we create and we solidify them. हम कूट कूट के अपने अंदर भर लेते हैं कि ये ही सही है, ये गलत है, ये अच्छा है और ये बुरा है. राइट. अब ये हमने अपनी एक दायरा बना लिया है. इस दायरे के अंदर चल रहे हो, सो एवरीथिंग इज गुड. इस दायरे के बाहर हो तो मेरा बैलेंस नहीं बनता, मुझे स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, मुझे बहुत प्रेशर दे देते हैं. सिंपल मतलब जब आप अपने से अपने आप को मिस्टेक के लिए अलाउ नहीं करोगे, अपने आप से इतनी ज्यादा उम्मीद रखोगे, सो आप डेफिनेटली दूसरों से भी वही करोगे, फिर वो बैलेंस कैसे रहेगा.
I think it is also about prioritizing. अपने आप को कितनी प्रायोरिटी दे रहे हैं हम, हमारी बैलेंस अपने आप को, अपनी चीज़ें के लिए. हम आउट ऑफ बैलेंस तभी जाते हैं जब हम बहुत सारी आउटर चीज़ों को हम ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देने लगते हैं.
Exactly. So priority, yes, definitely, I agree. प्रायोरिटाइज करना बहुत जरूरी है. प्रायोरिटाइज करना जरूरी है आउटर रियलिटी को. राइट. इनर रियलिटी तो सेम है. वो वही है, वो कहीं नहीं जा रही है, वो वही है, आपके अंदर है. आप जब बैठोगे आंखें बंद करके बैठ जाओ. यू टीच मेडिटेशन.
आंखें बंद करके बैठना जरूरी है.
You teach meditation, you teach that only. You concentrate on your breath, you concentrate, you just sit, and that is there with you. And nothing is stopping outside. Let me tell you very frankly, everything is going on.
Yeah.
So we think that we are the only thing, everything is revolving around us. It's not that. That you need to understand. That everything is not revolving around me. So this thin line is there, which you need to understand. So balancing, yes, definitely the balance will happen. Once the balance will happen only when you understand that where I'm operating from, which area of life I'm operating on, how much work I'm doing on myself. Then only I can expect that the things will start falling in place. Otherwise, of course, yes, in a routine life, you will have some imbalances. Like you will face certain challenges. Things will not fall in place, but that should not affect you. The problem is that what imbalance is happening outside me is affecting me. There the problem is. There the challenges that you need to overcome. Imbalance is something which will happen. लोगों को OCDs, I hear that कि उनको ऐसे ये मग पड़ा है, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे रखना चाहिए, ऐसे होना रहता है. So this is disturbing somebody. So why it is disturbing somebody? Why that's creating so much imbalance within him? Because he hasn't balanced himself. He's not worked on himself. So that is what we need to understand. And once we do that, means we have time in the world to do everything we like. And the core, we don't want to do. Working on our own self. And there we lack.
So we lack balance when we
work, we lack the work on creating the balance within. I would say that.
Oh.
And we expect that the outer reality में balance बन जाए. और मेरा work life balance और मेरा inner balance हो जाए. वो balance बिगड़ रहा है तो powerful बनो ना. उसको ठीक करो. वो ठीक कैसे करोगे? जब अपने से कनेक्ट करोगे. तो सबसे पहले तो अपने आप को अलाउ करो.
अपने आप को टाइम दो. रोज 1 घंटा बैठो. 1
घंटा क्या, मैं कहता हूँ 5 मिनट बैठो. बैठो तो सही, करो तो सही.
They say it's very difficult for few of the people. So जब मेरी जर्नी में, जब मेडिटेशन की जर्नी में जब लोग आते हैं, so the first thing that they say is that it's very difficult for us to close our eyes and not think about anything else.
So this is a very common problem.
Yeah,
this is a very common problem that people expect कि पहले दिन से ही हम
but 5 मिनट बैठना ही लोगों के लिए मुश्किल है.
Exactly, because that is what exactly is there. Their subconscious, their conscious mind, consciously अगर कुछ नहीं भी, subconscious is working like anything. They dump so much. So and how will the balance come in? और जहाँ तक रहेगी बात difficulty की, I would say that कुछ भी difficult नहीं है, right? It is again what you talked about is about the priority. Now here comes the priority, that how much, I understand and I get aware that how much important it is for me to be self-aware and self-connected. अगर मेरे को वो चीज समझ में आएगी तो मैं करूंगा, राइट? अगर आज मेरे को फिजिकल पेन है और वो मुझे बार बार फिजिकल पेन, कहीं भी मेरे कोई लेग में पेन है या मेरे सर में पेन है और वो मुझको मेरी जा नहीं रही है, तो मेरा सारा ध्यान कहाँ है? उस पेन पे है। उस वक्त मैं सब कुछ भूल गया कि बाहर में मैंने क्या टारगेट्स रखे थे या मेरा क्या बैलेंस है, सब भूल चुका हूँ इस वक्त में। क्यों है? कहाँ है मेरा ध्यान? मेरे सर दर्द पे कि यार ये जा नहीं रहा, राइट? व्हाट विल आई डू? आई विल टेक द एक्शंस टू रेक्टिफाई इट, राइट? बिकॉज नाउ आई एम अवेयर कि ये दर्द हो रहा है और इसके लिए मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा। मे बी आई विल अप्लाई अ बाम, इफ आई डोंट बिलीव इन मेडिसिन आई विल डू व्हाटएवर, राइट? एंड इफ आई डोंट गेट दैट कंफर्ट आई विल गो फॉर द मेडिसिन and I'll try to suppress it. Right? Now, so where have I gone? Where I've just put my focus on it and tried to suppress my pain. And since I'm not aware that what's happening inside me, because I'm not connected, I'm so engrossed in the outer reality and creating whatever I want to without realizing that how important it is. And then I talk about having a balance. It will never happen. It will never happen.
So the core is prioritize, become aware of the root, and then prioritize yourself. Give yourself time.
Exactly.
Sit with yourself. So these days, that's what I am doing.
Right.
I am taking out at least 10 minutes doing nothing. Like
Exactly.
nothing means not even trying to think about
Exactly.
anything. So I started with 2 minutes though, and now it's 10 minutes.
Yeah, so it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen. So you are the example, you are the inspiration, and पहले दिन से लोग आते हैं और when it talks about meditation, they say that कि यार हमारा तो बड़े सारे, मेरे को ना बहुत सारे thoughts आ रहे थे. So मैं कहता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप जिंदा हैं. तो अगर आपको थॉट्स नहीं आ रहे थे तो मतलब आप गए, तो मतलब कहीं और हैं आप, whatever you believe in, if you believe in the life after death. So it will not happen overnight. Definitely it will take, you have to first realize that I need this is at most important for me. And yes, having said that, sitting 10 minutes, yes, start with 2 minutes. In fact, in my coaching, my strict instruction is cut your mobile phones by 20%. This is how I, coach them. Cut your fooding habits by this thing, because they need something, Sometimes I'm coaching 20, 24-year-old, boys and girls. And I see their energies is like they can't just sit. They're just not able to sit for 5 minutes. They just want something. They want nothing. They'll open a chips and they'll just start eating that. What is this energy coming from? Reason being that वो ठहराव नहीं है, वो connection नहीं है. They just, every time they just want to, they're in competition. They're in comparison all the time. And that pressure is haunting on them. So that's exactly what you said is right. Sit with yourself.
Awareness, allowance, and prioritizing.
Exactly.
And therav.
Exactly.
Bring in that. So that's how we come to the end of this episode, and looking forward to the next one with a new question for sure.
Thank you.